Spoon salt.
Monster underscore hunt.
Wait, the salt goes in here with
Egypt
the yeast?
spoiled us yesterday.
I don't know.
Egypt
I should
would
read
want
this.
you to chug it regardless if she answered or not.
So it is
This is the most complicated
instant yeast
recipe I
sugar
have ever
and
seen.
warm water.
Kivo seems really focused.
Wait, the warm water? No, the warm water is replaced
Yeah.
by the pilk.
Yeah, I'm just reading the.
Okay, hold on. Let me bring the shit up too.
Give Kivo a follow or I ban Angry Pepe.
Yo, true, dude. Exclamation guest. Please give drop Kivo a follow.
Dude, I have no idea how many teaspoon is.
You don't have a teaspoon?
Dude, I don't know where the fuck it went.
Okay, instant yeast, sugar, and warm water. That's all that goes in this shit, dude. Where do you see salt?
No, I was just reading the.
Oh, the next one?
I don't follow anybody.
Lol. Link
Okay.
broken.
So just link broken. Wait, did I spell his name wrong? What is it? Did I spell your name wrong? Chillin' with Kivo. Is it broken? Yo.
Two scissors. Dot who needs two scissors?
No,
Listen,
it
Beef,
works
I
just
always
fine.
lose my scissors, so I just like scatter them around everywhere, so there's always a pair wherever I need them.
For me, I guess.
I
Mobile
got like 5.
sucks.
Link works.
Link works? Okay. Yo, Pickle, what's up, Pickle?
Weed
Okay,
scissors
so-
and scissors.
I just need to get
Pickle.
oh shit, dude. I'm dumping the yeast out.
Mobile.
Any yeast?
Alright, I need sleep. I skipped the nap today.
Mobile fail.
You were owed points from Tuesday. I didn't forget
I love
about
you, Izzy.
Stream and enjoy the
Rain.
buns.
Nighty
Thank you,
night,
Izzy.
Izzy
Good night,
Viking
Izzy.
Wolf.
Be careful to the yeast, it will cry.
I remember the time when Camille was stroking his cucumbers in the sink.
Stroking my
chat.
cucumbers.
Are your scissors
Okay, that
going
never happened,
down the
dude.
drain or something? How
I
did
never
you
stroked
lose
cucumbers.
Prize for the yeast.
them?
That
Good
never
night,
happened.
Izzy.
I love you too, Mr. Camel. Good night,
I'm making
Izzy,
pilk- we're making
ILY,
pilk
Peepo
buns.
Pats. Peepo Pats. Before I go though, how
Do I
about...
mix the yeast?
I love
Are you
Izzy.
making pilk moonshine?
Honestly, I was
Question
wondering
mark.
the same thing.
777.
I was actually wondering the same thing.
I'm gonna mix it, dude.
This shit smells crazy, dude, honestly.
Smells fucking weird.
Yo, Luke. Yo, Luke, what's up, dude? Oh yeah, they mix it. They actually mix it.
And then do I like cover it or something?
No, you just like fucking. That shit just sits there. You just like mix it in, and then I think so, and so it's like. Wait, let me see what theirs looks like actually. Oh shit, dude. Yo, what happened to the CTS, dude? Good night, Izzy. Oh shit, dude. Hello, where are you guys?
Yo.
Hello? Hello?
Yo.
It's like what they serve in Oliver Twist. Izzy did not
Oliver
break
Twist.
TTS.
Hello.
Doug Dimmadome over
Hello.
at the Dimsdale Dimmadome.
I love you, Luke. Oh shit, dude.
Dimsdale Dimmer. Do me looking out SpongeBob's window and Knuckles FT.
Party 100.
Hello.
J-I-L-Y.
Yo, Luke, when are you gonna be back in Austin, dude? I got something to send you,
Wonderful
dude.
draw. At Tom _ B __.
Another headbang shot. K-A-J.
Oh, you're supposed to.
That got on the camera.